everyone, welcome to take 2. We have a Lifesaver Firenetics 0905, still at 4000 LB. Something we just installed today, Firex FX10. Let's start testing. This alarm glitches out sometimes. This one always scares me. That'll be it. Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.